Hello and welcome to another Purveyor of Light Photoshop Quick Tip. Today we have a unique one that most people overlook and don't even know that it's available within Photoshop. And that is the Object Selection tool. It comes in handy. It's not a miracle tool, but at times it comes in really nice. So let's take a look at this picture we have here. We got several objects: the monitor, the desk, the phone, the keyboard, the mouse. And if we wanted to individually select any one of these objects, we'd have to go through using the quick selection tools or other tools that are availability. But let me show you the hidden object selection tool. Okay, right here under your quick select tool, if you look right up top, you'll see object selection. Okay, most people don't even know that exists. So I select that, and now make sure that the object finder is checked. And look at this. It instantly picks up the objects and has made a selection of everything: the desk, the keyboard, the phone, the mouse, the plant. Okay, all of these automatically. So I didn't have to do any hard work. So let's say I wanted the plant. I could just click and it'll make a selection of the plant. Okay, if I want to also have the mouse and the phone, just hold the shift key down. And now I have the plant and the phone. Maybe I'll hold the shift key down and get the keyboard too. Maybe I'll even get the mouse. Hold the shift key down, hit the mouse. Now I have all of these selected. Now if I wanted to, I could just for demonstrations, I hit copy, and then I'll make a new layer, and then I'll just paste those objects on the new layer. And turn off the background, and you can see I have selected out those objects automatically within Photoshop. It's quite good. It's not perfect. Okay, there may be sometimes you have to do some touch up and such, but for quick selections, it can't be beat. And again, I show you how easy it is to use. Just select a photo that has objects. It'll automatically detect there's a wall clock, there's the lamp, there's the mask, and you can just select what you wish to have just by clicking, and a selection is made. And now you could, do whatever you want with it. You can move your selections around and so forth and so on. So there you go. And let's show you the power of it. Okay. I'll select the object selection tool. And you see it's spinning right here? That means it's thinking. It's trying to find every object it can possibly isolate. And in this one here, we've got books, we've got bikes, we've got cameras. But it's done. Let's see how it did. Look at that. Individual books. Whole shelves. Cameras. Boxes. Pictures. Pretty neat, huh? So, the next time you need to do a quick selection of objects in a particular photo, give the object selection a try. It could be your new best friend. All right, till next week, you guys take care.